Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HWE Brewery Bash 3 here in Green Bay, Wisconsin at Badger State Brewing. Two legends of Wisconsin and Midwest wrestling making their way to the ring here, folks. We have KUJO and, of course, Big Devan Drake. The Mad Dog of War and Devan Drake, legendary tag team. This crowd is fired up for Big Devan and KUJO. It is loud here at Badger State, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to be a part of the action, make sure you get your tickets for our next show here at Badger State, February 20th. Game on. Get your tickets early if you want the best seats in the house. And Big Devan Drake gonna go over the top rope as always. Flawless execution from Big Devan Drake. This crowd is ready for some tag team action.
Music man, stop that right now. Thank you very much. So, I appreciate all you HWE fans for coming out tonight, and I know why you came. Right, porn stash, right? So, for over a year, each and every one of you have listened to Peter Schwantz come out here and flap his big freaking gums. Yeah, exactly. He verbally defiled each and every one of you, half of the HWE locker room. He came out here, he verbally abused me, came out with his muscle, double teamed me. I came back, I found, everybody quiet now, this is important. I found the biggest, the strongest, the badasses, tag team partner in all No, it's cuffing season. 1 whole ton, 8 feet tall, Devan Drake. Every one of you came to see us whoop his ass. And guess what? He didn't show up. One more time. Hit porn stash. If you're at home, suck it. So, we're going to give you the next best thing. Devan and I are going to go drink Devan's body weight in beer and whiskey, and I invite each and every one of you to come and do that with us. What do you say?
Not a problem in Green Bay.
And their opponents.
Opponents? I thought we were going to have tag team action against Schwantz. But we have new opponents here for Big Devan Drake and the Mad Dog of War. And it's the Ninja Dragons. Well, that is a change of events here. The Ninja Dragons are here to take on Big Devan Drake and the Mad Dog of War. I have been very impressed with this young tag team. Their high-flying offense, their lucha and karate styles meshing together very well. And let's see how that stacks up against the powerhouse of Big Devan Drake and, of course, KUJO.
All right. I'll tell you what. Hey, you want to drink beer and whiskey later? We came to fight, and we'll fight. But you're so fast and you jump around so much. Yeah. Can't keep up with you.
Let's see who begins this matchup here for each team. Looks like Big Devan Drake ready to go. And here we go. The Ninja Dragons versus Big Devan Drake. Mad Dog of War is underway. Nice show of respect there in the middle of the ring from both gentlemen. Sizing each other up. Lock up center of the ring. Tag team action underway here in Green Bay. And Big Devan Drake with the power slam. Reset here. Another lock up, center of the ring. Big Devan Drake backing up his opponent to the ropes. Will we get a clean break? Clean break. Oh! Kick to the gut there on the ropes. Devan Drake now moves to the ropes. Up and over! This Green Bay crowd fired up for Big Devan Drake. And a tag into the Mad Dog of War. Double team action here from Big Devan Drake and KUJO. Now Devan to the outside. And KUJO with the advantage. It's the ropes. Scoop slam. Goes for the cover. And that's a kick out at 2 for the Ninja Dragons. Oh, right to the eye of Draken there. Oh my God! A chop to the heart. And the crowd definitely wants another one. I think they'll take 5 more if you ask. And another chop in the corner. Riley Adams wants in this match in the worst way, but could not be farther away from his tag team partner, Draken. Now Big Devan Drake. Snap suplex there. Center of the ring, goes to the cover, and a kick out at 2.
That was crap.
Big Devan Drake to the ropes, steps over. Dragging up and over. Big Devan Drake gets tripped up there. And now from behind, a little sleeper hold, actually a little chin lock there, my apologies. Chin lock from one half of the Ninja Dragons. Riley Adams trying to get into this match. The Ninja Dragons could use the fresh man. And into the corner of Riley Adams. Draken comes in and finally gets the tag to his partner. Here comes Riley. Looking for a double team suplex action. Oh my goodness. I'm not sure how they could get super heavyweight Big Devan Drake across the ring like that, but great power there from the Ninja Dragons. Oh, but a tag into KUJO. Ninja Dragon should have stayed on the attack. Goes for that clothesline. Both of them duck in. Goes for a kick to the gut. They both get it. Oh, we're going for a double suplex on KUJO. Are we going to get it? KUJO using his body weight, using his leverage. And a reversal! Both members of the Ninja Dragons taken down by the Mad Dog of War, KUJO. And now Big Devin Drake tagged back in. Riley Adams to the ropes. Tries a crossbody, gets caught by KUJO. Devin Drake. Crossbody under the back of his tag team partner to slam down Riley Adams. And a 2-count kick out from Riley. And now we have Devin Drake, Riley Adams here. This Green Bay crowd firmly behind Big Devin Drake and KUJO. Riley Adams trying to fight back here. A little flurry of offense. Gets Big Devin Drake to the ropes. Opposite corner. Beautiful jumping drop kick there. Great height from Riley Adams. Incredible athleticism. Like I said, both members of the Ninja Dragons incredibly athletic. And now we'll get Draken back in here. Oh, and that's going to pull on those groin muscles there. And then that double drop kick. And Riley Adams gets to the outside. Cover from Draken and a kick out from Big Devin Drake. Going for a suplex here, and he's going to get it. Textbook suplex there from Draken. Now back to his feet is Devin Drake. Kick to the rib cage. Devin in the corner. Devin looking for a chop there, and he's going to get it. Big splash from Draken in the corner there. Big Devin Drake is rocked. Bulldog there from Draken going for the cover on Big Devin Drake. Is that it? No, a kick out at 2. This crowd trying to will Big Devin Drake back to his feet. And so is his partner, the Mad Dog of War, KUJO. Tag into Riley Adams. Big Devin Drake in the corner of the Ninja Dragons. Riley Adams, another big splash there, flying in. Incredible velocity there from Riley Adams. Into the corner goes Devin. Here comes Riley, another big splash, leading with the chest and kind of the shoulders there almost. It's like a dart into the corner. Reversal there from Devin. Oh, but Riley gets the leg up. Rocks Devin in the jaw, right to the second rope. Oh, big strike there from Devin. And now Devin looking to get Riley down to the mat. Big Devin Drake on the top rope here. Oh my goodness! Frankensteiner off the top rope! What a maneuver there from Big Devin Drake! Incredible execution. Referee already up to a count of 3, both men down. Devin Drake trying to get to his corner, get to his tag team partner, KUJO. Same with Riley, trying to get to Draken in the corner. Tag to Draken, tag to KUJO. Big clothesline from KUJO. Draken back up, another clothesline, almost turning him inside out. KUJO is running rampant on the Ninja Dragons. Biting right on the forehead. Now KUJO looking to finish it right here, right now. Shoots Draken to the ropes. Ducks a clothesline. Goes to the crossbody. Gets caught. The strength, the power of KUJO. And just slams him to the mat. Oh, but it's broken up just in the nick of time by Riley Adams. The Ninja Dragons stay alive for now against KUJO and Devin Drake. KUJO gets dragged into his shoulders here, looking for that jackknife power bomb. Oh, but he slips out. Tag to Riley Adams. Adams comes in. Roundhouse kick to the face of KUJO. Big Devin Drake coming in. Striking combination with the kicks. Backhand to Riley. Devin Drake looking for that choke slam. Is he going to get it on Riley? Up and down. What power there from Devin Drake. Devin Drake, not the legal man though. Great work by ref Travis there, keeping this match nice and fair. KUJO looking to finish it now. And this crowd's looking for them to finish it too. Here we go. Gets him up for the jackknife. Will he get it this time on Riley Adams? Riley is dazed. Down he goes. Right onto the back of the head. That has got to be it. And it is. A powerful showing here from Big Devin Drake and the Mad Dog of War, KUJO. Like we said, folks, we expected Peter Schwanz to be here tonight so he could answer for running his mouth for almost a year now in HWE. But isn't quite going to get his comeuppance here tonight. However, the Mad Dog of War making a statement with his tag team partner, Big Devin Drake, against the Ninja Dragons. But still an impressive showing from the young team of the Ninja Dragons. I look forward to seeing a lot more of these two young men here in HWE. What a great showing. But it's going to be hard to take down these legends of Wisconsin wrestling. Big Devin Drake and the Mad Dog of War, KUJO.